Radio to all units, 10-1 Alpha and 322.
Loud and clear, go ahead.
Please respond to a 34 Pacific Drive for 130. The property is being reported to contain suspicious activity. J1, please still approach with caution with a 127.
10-4 en route. We'll be arriving at the property in T-2, over.
Be advised, we've received a citizen complaint that a possible 133 has been unarmed violence within the backyard of the property. Two men aged around 35 and 40. The property has since been raised to a J2, over. That is a J2.
Copy. En route.